GovTech is actually more about innovation that goes on in the government, right? It is innovative or breakthrough innovative solutions that may use new technology. So let's look at if, we look at a simple chart where this is about value and this is over time. Most governments, just like large organizations, can make incremental improvements on their solutions, stepwise improvements. But they're dealing with people who have expectations that are above this. Having their voice heard on social media channels or getting things instantly like ride sharing, right? So as time goes on, those expectation levels sit up here, right? Incremental solutions from the government are not going to meet those expectations. So how do you meet those expectations, right? You need breakthrough innovation. But the problem with breakthrough innovation is it doesn't start at the same value level. If you start here, it actually dips before you find something that starts to hockey stick up. This is the typical startup curve, right? You actually dip below. It looks like you're going backwards when you're starting out because you're exploring, you're trying new things, you're struggling for traction, you're trying to figure out what the market need is until you figure out what clicks. Well, us, when we operate programs like Lightning Lab GovTech, this is the world we live in. We live in this world. It's hard for governments to do this world because it's inherently risky. And governments, if they do one thing, they manage risk, right? So for us, we can take risky projects that are looking at very far-reaching innovation in the government and bring them into our environment and de-risk them. We can actually provide really good startup methodology that we use with startups because they have to manage this risk too. We can do the same thing to de-risk it from that standpoint by just bringing them out of the government and putting them into a co-working space with us and giving them that program. It actually de-risks it itself.
So now talking about the GovTech, what we've actually got is we have a GovTech accelerator running right now across the street. So Brett is going to take us there and we're going to go check it out.
Alright, so this is Johnny.
Kia ora, Jake, and welcome to Lightning Lab GovTech. Come on in, eh?
Alright.
So this is our space here in Wellington for Lightning Lab GovTech 2018. We've got 12 teams working out of here for the next 3 months, which we're pretty excited about. So we've got 4 themes here at Lightning Lab GovTech, and all of the 12 projects fit loosely into one of those themes. The first one is looking at social. So how do we look after people in New Zealand who are at most vulnerable? Second is our environment, really important. Third element is looking at the community, making sure that our community is inclusive and no one sort of gets left behind. And the fourth area we're looking at is digital inclusion.
And can we meet one of the teams?
Yeah, of course.
We're part of BFC Digital and we are from Ministry of Social Development. And our focus for this project is focusing on people in financial trouble and providing access for them to our products and services that are currently available.
Going to get financial help for the first time is a bit like going to the dentist. You leave it too late and it's got to be really hurting before you go. We're here at Lightning Lab GovTech to maybe think up solutions that will make it easier for people to connect.
So in closing, Lightning Lab GovTech is about building a better public sector in New Zealand. We think we're in a really unique spot to lead this space globally. And what we're doing here at Lightning Lab GovTech is about creating better, faster and stronger public sector through doing breakthrough innovation. If you want to find out more, check out llgovtech.co.nz.